Cool. So let's give this pen tool a go. So I'm going to go onto my pen tool. I'll start by trying to draw a heart shape, but I'm not going to change the nodes after I've made it. I'm going to draw the curves as I go. So to do that, the first thing I do is click once. That gives me the point, and as you know, the line follows you around. But this time I'm going to put the curve in as I go, and the way you do that is you click, hold down the mouse, and drag, and can you see that gives this weird sort of line that follows you around. So you just got to get used to knowing where the curves go. So it's just a little curve there, then I let go, and now because of this handle here, it gives you a curve at the top as well. So I'll go click and drag. I'm holding the mouse down and dragging. Now I go down to the middle of the heart, and this is where I need to only click once because I want a sharp change of direction. So there it is. Then I click, hold the mouse down and drag to get the handles. There we go. Same thing again on the next one. Click, hold the mouse down, drag, and then join it up. Now that's an ugly looking heart at the moment. Once again, fine tuning is done with the node tool. So I'll click that, push that around there. Good to go there. Move that about. That handle needs to come out to give it a bit more of body, I guess. And there you go. You've got infinite sort of ability to be able to fine tune. Show you a wee trick here. I'm just going to select that on the thing. If I wanted to replicate one of these colors here, another little tool here, I've got that selected. Down here you've got this eyedropper tool. If I click that, I can go over to here and click on this one, and it will eyedrop the color that I had there. Leaves the stroke on, but that's okay. So I'll leave that one there. That's all good. Another love heart. And I'll show you how I did this one all in one go with the pen tool as well. So more recap. Get the pen tool. I'm going to start with the sort of corner there. So I'll click once, and you'd think that I'd be going out here to create that curve, but I'm going roughly where I'd put a star, and then I click, hold the mouse down and drag. So that gives me that sort of side of the pedal, and then I come back into here and click once because I want a sharp change of direction. Click. So this time, same deal here. I'm going to go out to here, click and drag. That gives me that. Back into the middle. Click. Same thing here. Click, drag, hold the mouse down and drag to get the curves going. Click once because I want a sharp change of direction. Click out here. Click and hold the mouse down and drag. Back in. So you can hopefully see what's going on here. Then click, drag, holding the mouse down, drag, and then finish it off. Done. Still needs a bit of fine tuning work, so you back over to your node tool and you just do your fine tuning. So as you can see, once you get good with this tool, it's really good for drawing free form shapes. Very, very frustrating tool initially. Be prepared for a bit of frustration. It will happen, but hopefully you sort of persevere with it and it'll become a good one. So I'm just going to click this, get my eyedropper, eyedrop the blue color, and that's that done. Give that a go.